Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2014 Toyota Tacoma. We're going to start right away up front where you have factory fog lamps as well as a nice chrome grille. A look down the passenger side. You have alloy wheels. Taking a look inside at the cloth interior. Seats are clean all the way throughout. One more look down the passenger side, then we're going to swing around to the back end. You have a factory trailer hitch and a rear backup camera here on the back. Taking a look at the bed, you have a bed liner here as well as a soft cover on top. Those are going to keep the bed very safe. Factory trailer hitch on the back as well. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of Highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used truck dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. You have your audio, Bluetooth, and cruise controls all mounted here. Full touchscreen that includes your stereo. Climate controls are mounted here as well. And then of course your automatic transmission. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Toyota on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck, all at holidayautomotive.com.